Hey, what's up, guys? John Erickson here, reading for the role of Harry.
Okay, Harry, what important matters do we have to discuss?
Isn't it enough that I want to see my wife? It isn't official. You technically still are.
I technically shouldn't be seeing you right now with our open case and all.
Deborah, it's a divorce hearing, not a murder trial, unless you count my entire bank account that your lawyer took an axe to.
Stop being dramatic. Not like there was much in there anyways. Yo, want water? Oh, do you have sparkling? Do we look like we have sparkling?
I'm not being dramatic, Deborah. I designed my cardboard sign for when the bank seizes my apartment.
Thanks, don't you? Why are you making this out to be my fault? I'm the responsible one who saved our money while you went ahead and spent it all on what, a Keys for Dogs startup?
A genius idea that would have blown up if it wasn't already patented, and you know that.
You're delusional.
Yet, you're the one who came today. What'd you expect?
A little too much, actually, but that's my fault. Again, I'm the idiot in heels, friend. And look, where am I? I should go. Bye.
Wait! Stay. You already took off the ring?
Yeah, I have.
You didn't sell it, did you?
Of course I didn't sell it. I'm not like you selling the band.